So we have unveiled the first bond of digital media house. This will improve the quality of journalism and the safety of the journalists, because filing stories from corridors and other places in town can interfere with your safety and comfort. So when you know that you have a safe place, it is good. And most important is that it will eliminate quacks now. If you are not a non-member of the local media fraternity, you will not be welcome to access this place. Therefore, we know that opportunity to know that journalists can come work in a safe space. They have no spies, they have no quacks. This will be assured and guaranteed. So congratulations. Next. People can come in, plug their laptops there with the Wi-Fi and TV. We haven't much of the other rooms, and we're going to get additional computers.
You already? My dad.
So we will have several, at least 2 to 3 employees just here, because we bring the internet and providing coffee and tea.
The sanity.
Yeah, and of course sanity and yes. This finally here we will work on. So we think that this will be a complete. Out there we will provide a few umbrellas.
Yes, where someone can sit with their laptop.
So you sit with your laptop, you want to meet 2 journalists for mentorship and all that, you sit under the umbrella and all that. They want to come together and collaborate.